I'm always running behind the tide, just like this train, shaking into town with the brakes complaining. I used to count lovers like railroad cars, I counted them on my side. Lately I don't count on nothing, I just let things slide. The station master shuffling cards, boxcars are banging in the yards. Jealous loving will make you crazy if you can't find your goodness, 'cause you lost your heart, 'cause you lost your heart. I went looking for a cause, or a strong cat without claws, or any reason to resume, and I found this empty seat in this crowded waiting room. I found everybody waiting. There's an old man sleeping on his bed, women with that teased up kind of hair, kids with the jitters in their legs and those wide, wide open stares. And the kids got cokes and chocolate bars. There's a thin man smoking a fat cigar. Jealous loving will make you crazy if you can't find your goodness, 'cause you lost your heart, 'cause you lost your heart. Well, I've got this birth and this roll down blind. I got this full lip-sync, and these rocks and these cactuses going by, and a bottle of German wine to drink. I'll settle down into the clickety-clack with the clouds and the stars to read, dreaming of the pleasure I'm gonna have. Watching your hairline recede, my vain darling, watching your hair in clouds and stars. I'm rocking away in the sleeping car. Oh, jealous loving's making me crazy and mean. I can't find my goodness, I lost my heart. Oh, sour grapes, I lost my heart.